So here on the retired autopsy bench, although I'm still doing peg casings, we have a long nose casing, and basically the way it works is the crown wheel goes round and round and round and pushes oil up this hole. With a bit of luck, it comes out at the other end, at the top, through that hole there, and dribbles straight back down past the head bearing back into the diff pan. Now if you think about it, on a rear diff, if you're driving down a road, gravity is going to send it down this end. So we've invented the Superflange, which is immensely popular. We now have another little extra as well, and we call it the Oil Vane Superflange Upgrade Kit. And these are the oil vanes. There's a front rotation and a rear rotation, because the rear and the front diffs drive in opposite directions. They'll fit all long nose diffs. You clamp them in, they don't move, they're stainless steel. We have them made for us in a special jig we've had made up, and they really do make a massive difference to oiling on tail bearings. So here we have late type Puma TD5 24 spline dry flange. Here we have early 4 spline dry flange. Both of these will work, and there'll be 2 different kits. In fact, there'll be 3 different kits, because there'll also be like this, but with 3 prongs for the Discovery 2. So what you would normally have from Land Rover is that silly little tin shield that doesn't do a lot of work. What you'll get from us is the Superflange. The Superflange, basically the piece you see on the right of my thumbnail, that fits inside the casing nose. That literally fits on the outside, and that fits onto there and is pressed on. You also will get from us a new triple seal, which fits onto there that way round and goes into the unit. However, you also get either one of those or one of those, and these are oil vanes. There's a rear rotation and a front rotation. The idea is, as the diff is spinning and as it pushes the oil hopelessly up that sort of tube that dribbles out the top, these get hold of that oil and spin it round in the cavity between this seal and the tail bearing, and keeps the oil up there. It will eventually drain back down into the diff pan, but while it's up there it will help lubricate. Also, what you will find is that some of the pinions heights will mean that you'll need to put a shim, so we give you a packet of shims as well. You might have to just file the nose of the diff casing flat in case there's a casting mark, but once you've done that and it's all fitted, it does half help the oiling for the pinion. And pinion bearing is the #1 failure on Land Rovers, in fact on any diffs. So once you've finished, it should look something like this. You'll have your dry flange on the front, you have your super flange on here, and we suggest that you try doing test fits on this without putting a new seal in. So once you've taken the old seal out, just reassemble it all together and see if it rotates nice and smoothly. If it doesn't, suspect the casing has either got too much paint on here, or maybe there's a burr on it or a ding or a dent, so it's not super smooth. So just run a file round this and clean it all off, and then try it again. And this should rotate smoothly with the oil vane in, bolted up. Once it rotates smoothly, then put the seal in. What you'll find is when that all back together, your super flange, i.e. everything on the right hand side of the super flange, that's now inside here, and you'll get detailed instructions of how to fit the seal, but it goes right down to a ridge that sits down here. So you've got your you've got your tail bearing, then you've got your oil vane, and you've got your seal and the dry flange, and the whole lot's held together. And as this rotates, it takes the oil vane round, holds all the oil in here that's dribbled up, holds it in, lubricates the pinion tail bearing much better, and eventually goes back down the bottom. When you order it, make sure that you order either a front or a rear, because the oil vanes are different. But you will get instructions, and if you get any problems, you can always give me a ring. But it's a great little upgrade to make your diffs last longer. Fits pretty much any long nose diff. Bye for now.